1,
Not yet.
2. Lexi, get the pony off the table.
There we go.
Ready? Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stina. Happy birthday to you.
Have many more.
Many more.
Love, take your wish.
One more.
You're gonna get your hair. Yay!
Yay!
Which one do you want?
Now you can